What's up, guys? Today I just picked up a 2019 Topps MLB baseball cards at Walgreens for about $10. For about $10, yeah. And I just opened them. I just opened the little pack, but I have not seen the cards yet. So I will be showing you the cards for a video. And yeah, so let's get into it. Put the camera. First, we got a George Springer relic. That's pretty cool. That goes in the cool pile. And a Kyle Tucker. I'll take it. Heath Fillmeyer. I'll take it. Aaron Judge. Oh yeah, I'll take it. I'll really take that. Springer and Tucker. Yelich. Christian Yelich. I'll take it. Another Christian Yelich. I'll take that. Almost all the cards have been going in the cool pile. Pedro Martinez. I'll really take that one. Altuve. Oh yeah, definitely. Jose Altuve. Guerrero Jr. I'll take it. Reed Addison. I'll take it. Decent. Joey Rickard. I'll actually take that. No lie, I'll actually take that right there. James Paxton. I guess. Trey Turner. We have got Bryce Harper and I don't know. I think it's Bryce Harper. No, it's just a regular Bryce Harper card. So you got a Bryce Harper, him celebrating because he got a double. A Noah Syndergaard. That's a really good one right here. Noah Syndergaard throwback Topps card. JD Martinez. Good card. I'll take it. Yan Gomez. Decent. I'll take it. Jake Arrieta. I'll take it. Rhys Hoskins. Yeah, I'll take it. Tyler Glasnow. Nah. Shane Green. I'll take it. Ryan Healy. Nah. Blake Terrine. Nah. Eric Hosmer. I'll take that one. Okay. Got Mike Clevelanger. Nah. Cesar Hernandez. I'll take it. Brandon Crawford. I'll take it. Felipe Vasquez. Oh, no. I'll pass on that one. We got... Wait. So, I just want to point out something right here. This is really weird. So, this is the card from later in the video that I pulled. This, as you can see, this one's gold. And this is the card I just pulled. The same exact card, but not gold. So, let me just do a close-up to both of them.
Which answer do you want to hear?
I'll take both of them, but I don't know what's going on, Topps. I can't pronounce his name. I'm not going to take it. Marcus Stroman. I'll take it. Not going to take it. Can't pronounce his name. Nicholas Castellanos. I'll take it. Oh, sorry. What is this? Max Muncy and Cody Bellinger celebrate. That's a really good card. I'll take that. Philadelphia Phillies field card. I don't think I'm gonna take that one. So Joey Lucchesi. I don't know how to correct me if I got that wrong. I will not take it. Eddie Rosario? No. Jose Abreu? I'll take that. Dansby Swanson? I'll take that. Boston Red Sox? Heck no, I won't take that. We got a Steve Pierce, 2018 World Series card. I'll take that if that's 2018 World Series. Mitchell Moreland, I'll take it. Jacob Nix, nah. George Soler, nah. Oldman Chapman, I'll definitely take that one. Kyle Schwarber, I'll take it. Ray Black, I will take it. Corbin Bruce, I'll take it. Mitch Garver, I'll take it. I won't take it. Matt Davidson, I'll take it. Freddie Freeman, I'll take it. Antonio Savarina, I will not take it. Jesse Winkler, I will not take it. Garrett Hampson, I will not take it. Jacob deGrom, I'll take it. Derek Rodriguez, I'll take it. Pronounce me if I'm wrong. Joe Prank, I'll take it. No, I'm not going to take it. Starling Marte, I'll definitely take that one. I don't know how to pronounce his name, so I will not take it. Paul Blackburn, not take it. Steven Piscotty, take it. I do not know how to pronounce his name, so I will not take it. Lewis Brinson, I'll take it. Wait, no, I won't take it. Jose Lyric, I'll take that one. Brian Anderson, I'll take it. And Jacob Eunice, I'm not taking. So the cards were decent. I do not think it was worth the $10 my dad spent. But all in all, there were some really good cards. But I will not take it. So thank you guys for tuning in and watching, and have a great day. Bye.